And that's to inform you that in the course of the FEC meeting, the president expressed very, very grave displeasure about the fact that contractors are being owed money. He actually said he was upset. And then he set up a committee of about 6 ministers and said he should look into the problems of giving funds, of paying those contractors. The DG of procurement actually told the president that about 2,000 contractors are being owed money. And this, of course, I said, made the president very, very upset. So the following ministers are going to look into the problem to really find a solution, to find the money that they should be paying contractors. The president said he's not happy at all and wants quick solution. So the committee is made up of the Minister of Finance and the Coordinator of the Economy, Minister of Economic Planning, the DG Budget, the Minister of Works, the Minister of Education, and the Minister of Housing, Minister of Marine and Blue Economy, and the Chairman of Federal Inland Revenue Service. All of them are supposed to sit down, develop as a committee, meet as a committee, and then go to the president to tell him the solution they have found in allocating funds to pay contractors. I said this matter was, the president was not happy, and he made it very, very clear. So with me today is the Minister of State for Industry, Senator Eno. So we will talk about what the FEC decided as regards this ministry. I hand over to him to look at the problem. So I think we have gone beyond finding reasons, but we need to say, to look at the problems, what has been causing this problem. Why we've had the Federal Revenue person saying we are getting more money and so on. So what could be the cause of this thing? So that's why he set up a multi-ministerial committee to look at the problem, to really find out what's the cause. He even said that as a sovereign country, you can go and borrow to pay those contractors. But I think by the time the committee meets him today, I think we'll find a solution.